Just installed a clutch switch for launch control. Just gonna go try it out, see what happens. My guess is that it's just gonna absolutely roast the tires off of it. So I may have to turn it down quite a bit. It's going to be pretty rowdy. And it's really cold, so the tires are not going to stick at all. Set to launch at like 3,000 RPM. See what happens here. I hope you guys could hear that, but yeah, it pretty much just annihilated the tires, as I thought. Probably gonna have to retard the timing a lot on launch. I hope this thing's not too high on my head. Okay, so here's the timing curve after launch. It was at 10 degrees retarded. I turned it up to 15 degrees retarded and extended out for 6 seconds to taper it back in to full advance. It's probably still going to roast the tires off because it really has too much power for this car in first gear, but let's go back around and see what kind of damage we left on the street. Well,